What's up, guys? Sean here. So I decided to go live tonight because Streamlabs has made its way to Mac. I'm super excited about this. I've used Streamlabs on a PC for over a year. And when I chose a broadcasting system for 2020, I decided to use StreamYard, which is what I'm broadcasting to you now. StreamYard is an awesome broadcasting system because I can bring multiple people on the show at a time. And that's the reason I switched. But Streamlabs is an amazing product, and we are going to go kind of look through it tonight. I signed up for a month of Streamlab, and I have a discount code in the description of this live stream that actually has, I think it's $9 off your first month. So if you like what you see and you think this is a good value, click that link, get you a discount for the first month, and try it out for $10. So what Streamlab offers is Streamlab lets you broadcast a live stream in 1080p. But what Prime gives you is access to all of its apps. So we're going to go through the website and look at all of its apps. But first, I need to go over to YouTube and make an adjustment real quick. So bear with me. This is the beauty of going live. I'm also trying out a new setup. So let me know if you can hear me okay. Let me know if you can see me okay. I'm going to try to get my desk so that I can do everything from like this control. Like this is my base station. So we're going to try to do a lot of things from this location. But let me go and check something real quick on YouTube just to make sure that the live stream is going well. This is going to be an interesting night because I'm going to live stream about a live stream, another live stream service. So we'll see what happens. Something else, I have my monitor kind of tiny. So, so yeah, it's interesting. So that's good to go. All right. So we've got nobody in the room, but hopefully you guys will be able to watch this later. I didn't tell anybody this was going to happen. It's not the normal time that I do a live stream. Actually, wait, my live stream every Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Central, if you guys like this content and want to come back and see me more. So what we're going to do is we are going to bring up Streamlabs. All right, so here we have kind of the desktop, the dashboard of Streamlabs OBS. Basically what Streamlabs allows you to do is it allows you to live stream from this application. And this is kind of what you get when you're in Streamlabs. If we go over to the editor, you have on your left screen, you've got kind of where you're about to be. And then over on the right screen is where you are. And I'm not going to go live because I don't know what my computer will do if I go live with multiple applications at the same time. But so a normal, like you can add overlays, start scene. So let's do a start scene, and this is the transition that'll happen. So you can see over in the right, something cool is going to happen. I can put whatever I want to in that box. I've got a be right back scene. See what that does. So it puts like a little pause intermission. If I need to go to the bathroom or I need to take a swig of my coffee or something like that, it allows me to go off and do that. But I use Streamlabs, and I designed all of my overlays myself. I use the Sketch app on a Mac, and put my logo in, put some overlays in there, and you can spend hours building a scene. And as you can see in here, let's bring this up a little bit. But like under here, you've got like sources. You can add a different source. You can add a camera. You can add an audio source. So if you have a different microphone that you want to pull in, or if you want to there's a bunch of little widgets that Streamlabs adds where you can put a chat box on there, and it'll actually pull your chats from YouTube, your live stream on YouTube, and bring it into your nicely designed scene. All of that stuff you can do for free. But if you don't have the time, or you don't have the skill to design your own overlays, for $19 a month, or I think it's $12 a month if you purchase a whole year of it, it can, you have access to all these different templates. So I think that's amazing, guys, because I've gone and I've spent money on transitions. I've spent money on sound bites. I've spent money on logo animations. All of that stuff kind of adds up. And if you went out and bought like a template for your live stream, a lot of those run like $45. So the fact that you can switch it up and grab from all of their library, all these content creators are creating these overlays. You can stream, video games. You can play video games or do VR. My channel, I run a tech channel, so I can live stream. I live stream every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Central. I can run those live streams from Streamlabs in 1080. The downside of StreamYard is what you're watching me on right now is StreamYard is only 720, which is pretty much the benchmark for Facebook. But YouTube allows you to stream at higher higher resolution. So if you want to stream at a higher resolution, you need to use something like Streamlabs. So we're going to go through and just kind of see what you get on this. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and share. Let's go ahead and do, I believe it's this one. All right, so this is Streamlabs. From just $12 a month, billed annually. So it's our premium toolkit for professional content creators. So if you consider yourself a professional content creator, and you want to do live streams on a weekly basis, what I love to do on my live streams is just hang out with people. The most important part of your YouTube channel is your audience, is the people that are watching your videos. You want to get on the same level as them. You want to ask them questions about your channel. You want to get their advice on what they like so that you can create content that they want to watch. Okay. So, I find out that one of my viewers, he was a drone flyer, but he flew this agricultural drone, and his drone was like as big as he had a drone blade that was like this big, right? And he fills it full of like pesticides or fertilizer, all these chemicals, and he flies them over a field. Well, I didn't know that any of my viewers did anything like that. I think of like people flying DJI drones or people using 360 cameras. I never thought I'd have somebody show up on my channel that flew a field and all that kind of stuff. What's up, Brand Newman? welcome to the stream. I know this is kind of a weird time, and I've spent all week on my downtime just kind of setting up my office, and so I thought I'd try this out. So yeah, here we are, getting kind of crazy. I'm stuck in my house, and so I decided to change some things around. But we're talking about Streamlabs. Everything's called Stream right now. But yeah, so let's look through the website and see what's going on. So this is $12 a month if you build annually, and it's $19 a month if you just go month by month. And I would encourage you to go month by month just to see if you like it before you purchase a whole year's worth. Just to see what's available. I haven't found a way to turn it into a virtual camera. I think for me, turning Streamlabs into a virtual camera and then running it through StreamYard would be the best case scenario for me, because my audience seems to be okay with me streaming at 720p, and the ability to have conversations with people really turns me on about StreamYard. But Streamlabs is what we're talking about, and I know this is getting confusing because I'm saying stream a lot. But there's 3 people in the chat. If you want to say something, you can. So let's go through this. It's got themes. It's got an app store. It's got custom widgets. It's got a merchandise store. It makes you gold status. You get a free T-shirt. Has a mobile app and a cloud bot. So what's awesome about this, if you went and figured out, purchase a website, I spend $25 every 3 months on my website, and then I have 2 URLs, so I spend, I think, $20 a year on that, and then so that alone, so custom website, a merchandise store. Merchandise stores, all the ones that I've signed up for are free, but you get better prices if you join Prime. Okay. Steven Drones, what's up? Whoa, Islam from Egypt. What is up? I hope I said your name right. Welcome to the channel. That's awesome. Guys, I'm streaming, and all of a sudden I'm already getting people coming in here talking to me. It's a great way to connect with your viewers. And so with Streamlabs, you get a custom website, you get a merchandise store, gold status, and all these themes. Like I said, every one of these themes that you would purchase, if you purchase them by yourself, they'd be like, you might find some for $20, you might find some for $30, but most of them will be like $45 to get a professionally built theme for your live stream. And if you don't want to spend the time building your own theme, if you've got a logo and it fits within some of these templates, then you're golden, guys. So let's check this out. Overlay widget and site theme. Thousands of professionally designed themes to get you started. Fully customize your stream and your website to present your brand, or pick from thousands of our pre-made themes. Either way, your stream will look amazing, and it's all included in Prime. So with Prime, you get access to all these things. Just a reminder, there's a link in the description below that will get you $9 off of the first month. So every app is free. So there's apps in here. Over 40 unique applications designed to grow your channel. Behind each application, there's a talented developer team dedicated and determined to push the industry forward. We've curated a list of diverse and feature-rich applications to give you more control, automation, better analytics, and new ways to interact with your audience. Guys, I cannot tell you how important it is to have an entire team behind you. I do this channel on my own. I don't have anybody working for me. I don't have anybody holding the camera. I do all of this stuff by myself. And so I don't have time to design everything. I could if I wanted to. I've been a web designer / developer for 20 years. So I have skills to design. I have skills to animate. I have skills to edit. You know, I could blow things out of the water if I had the time and I wanted to do it. But that's not what I want to do. I want to create YouTube videos for you guys. So in order for me to do that, I need something else, some other parts of my business to kind of run itself. And I think, you know, paying Streamlabs, that's one way to do it. So yeah, it's got awesome applications. It's got a custom domain and website. Your stream is your business. Graduate from casual streamer to professional content creator with a branded website address customized to your screen name. Get a perfect domain name before someone else has a chance. All right, here's the custom merch store, guys. Increase your revenue and branding. The best option of creators who want fully custom drop shipped merch, including clothing, headwear, stickers, home goods, and live on screen alerts. So check this out, guys. Wholesale pricing. So everybody that is on Streamlabs gets merchandise. They get a merch store, but at a higher cost. So let's check this out real quick. So t-shirt, let's say, take a t-shirt, for example. If you sold a t-shirt for $25, you would get, it would cost you $16 to sell that $25 t-shirt, and you would get $11. Okay. So Streamlabs takes $16 and you take 11. And the old profit would have been $9. Wait, sorry. So if you sold a $25 t-shirt for $16, sorry, if you sold a t-shirt for $25, this is getting confusing to me. If you sold a t-shirt for $25, it would cost you $16 to sell that shirt for $25. And then the only profit that you would get from that is $9 a pop. But if you sold the same t-shirt for $25, so your fans, your customers, your, you know, the people that watch your channel, if they spent $25 on a t-shirt, then it would only cost you it would only cost you $11. So the profit you would get is $14. And so wholesale prices for your merch, that kind of pays for itself already if people buy t-shirts from you, or hoodies or stickers or posters. And I'm a graphic designer, so the idea of a merch store through Streamlabs is awesome. Uh-oh. Technical difficulty. I don't know why I have a back button on my mouse, but there it is. All right, so instant gold status. You automatically included with Prime for Twitch streamers. All-Star Loyalty Program offers tons of opportunities to win amazing prizes and level up your stream. So that's pretty cool. You get entered into contests, you get a free t-shirt, all that kind of stuff. On CloudBot customization. So you can put different little cloud bots that have like your Twitch name, your Mixer name. So that's pretty awesome. In my new setup, I don't even remember where the camera is. The camera's right there. You're right there, guys. Just in case you didn't know. So you can stream on mobile as well. I've used Streamlabs on my mobile phone. Streamlabs works awesome on my mobile phone. It's actually my favorite live stream platform from my phone or my iPad. What this allows you to do is it allows you to take your take their little watermark off of the Streamlab live stream app, and it also gives you a personal cloud server. So when you are streaming from your phone, sometimes you get disconnected. Sometimes things happen. And what it'll do is it doesn't stop the stream once you're disconnected. It'll keep the stream going, and then once you're back, you're back. I had an example of when I live streamed from my DJI Spark, and I was all excited about, sending my my flight from my drone over live stream, and we could all hang out and chat. And I took off of the ground, and all of a sudden, the live stream just died. So having a cloud-based server, allows your stream to keep going even if you lose connection. So that's pretty cool. So regular StreamYard is free. You get an SSL certificate. You get a mobile app. You get live support. You get a limited selection of merch. It doesn't cost anything, and you get donations and alerts. Okay. With Prime, it's from $12 to $19 a month. And again, there's a link in the description. I know you guys hate me saying that, but there's a link in the description. It's an affiliate link for $9 off your first month. Or no, $10 off your first month. So wait, $9 off your first month. You get all the stuff that you got, except you have VIP live support. You have wholesale pricing, and you have a full catalog of merch. You get CloudBot customization, custom domain and email, instant gold status, premium themes and overlays, unlimited apps, and disconnect protection. So there it is. Join Prime today, guys. It's pretty awesome. So that is that. This is kind of your... Wait, nope, it's not showing. All right, so we're going to stop sharing that. And then I want to share a different... I want to share this one. All right, so this is StreamYard Studios. This is the site editor. So you get a free website. So I thought it might be kind of cool to come in here and build kind of a custom site. Now I think you can actually live stream to this site. So let's look at themes. And let's just pick one. I really like this one. I think this would go well with my brand. This one's pretty cool. All right, so let's pick one. Since I have Prime, I can choose any of these and change them whenever I want to. So I'm going to choose this theme. All right. So now we have this theme going on, guys. Let's see what the domain is. Yep, let's do that. StreamYard Studios Live. Now we have a domain, guys. StreamYardStudios.live. How easy is that to remember? I think that's pretty awesome. I just got a notification from Streamlabs saying that my domain is up and running. Well, it's set up. All right. So as you can see right there, the setup is in progress. So the user experience on this is awesome, guys. It already has my avatar in there. I can switch it out to a logo. Site title. It's got a little live thing going on there. You can donate. So I'm not sure how donations work yet. It might just be super chat, or you might be able to donate through this website. I'm not sure about that. Actually, I'm really not sure about anything. We're just testing everything out together. So we got domain going on. Let's go to design. Let's see if we can change things. Immersive mode. What is immersive mode? Okay, so immersive mode is fully responsive. So it stretches out to the entire screen. If I turn immersive mode off, then it's nice and tidy in the middle. So let's check that out. So background image style, we've got default, we've got linear. What's that? Okay, so linear is a linear gradient, it looks like. And let's see what cover is. Cover went back to that, but I'm not sure what cover will do. So I can come in here. I don't have my hexadecimals for my brand right now in this, but I can go in here and I can change all the colors. But this looks pretty good, actually. It's got a Twitch panel powered by Streamlabs, of course. But I'm okay that that's powered by Streamlabs, right, guys? I think that's really cool. All right. Let's go to content design. So I can change the section vertical pattern or padding. And what padding does, guys, is it gives kind of white space between each section. So vertical is up and down. So as you can see, it gave some extra space here. I'm going to go ahead and bring that back down. Here's a merch store, so I can put my merchandise here. So on this page, guys, I can have everything that I want for my live stream. Here's a good way to sell merchandise. And I've decided to do my merchandise a little bit different. I want to do my merchandise in a way that people want to purchase it. I don't think many people care about my little stickers. I got them all printed up and nobody wants them. But so I might just start giving those away. But I want to sell merchandise that you guys want to wear. So, you know, maybe drone flyer, I'm into 360, or, you know, I don't want to give you guys all my ideas because I want you to, I don't want anybody else to take them. But component background. So let's pick, and I'm just playing around, guys, but I want to go, I'll do all of this legit later. But this is kind of my color. And if I come in here and make it darker, already this is starting to look like my site, you know, a site that I would do. But I'm going to go back to that color. Ooh, white. I don't want to do white. I wish there was a color picker. I'm not sure if there's a color picker on here or not. But yeah, let's just go there. You can add component borders, radius. So what the radius does is, see how the radius is on this corner? If you bring it down to nothing, it'll make it square. See what it did there? My brand actually does have a rounded corners on my logo. So I like the rounded corners. But already this website's looking pretty good, guys. Typography. I've got standard font size, but we've got all kinds of fonts in here. Let's do Forever Goth. Let's see what that does. I don't see that it changed, so it might. Let's do. Not sure why that didn't change, guys. But let's change it to bubble. We've got the fonts to white. So I can come in here and I can change the colors of everything in here. I don't want to go too far into this. So let's just change that back to default. Because I don't think that it did anything, actually. So under buttons, let's see where we can find a button. So here's a donate button right here. Filled and semi-round. Filled and round. So see, that made it round right there, guys. Hollow and sharp. All right. I think filled and semi-round. Probably pretty good. You can go to navigation. And that would be this top part. So if we did logo extra large. Now it's got me over here. I don't know if it's going to leave me over here. But we could swap out the logo. So all right, it doesn't have access to all my drives. So we'll get back to that some other time. So yeah, so that's the site. I don't want to go too far into that. So we're going to kill that. So yeah, so let's go back into OBS. All right, guys, so we're here back in OBS. Something that's really cool is that we have this mini feed. So 2 days ago, JW Reeser subscribed to me, and that's awesome. I get to see right here everything that's happening on my channel. I can see that in the YouTube studio, but I have to kind of search around. I get emails when people subscribe to me, but sometimes it's kind of hard to keep track of that. So here's a mini feed of everything that's happening. Fishing for Success, if you guys remember, Tuesday night gave me a super chat of $2. So I get to see here when that kind of stuff happens. Something you can do on Streamlabs is when someone gives you a super chat, it'll throw this animation up on the screen of like a donation. So that's pretty cool. So let's go here. This is where you can look for themes for your site. And just to give you an idea of how many themes there are, we've got featured themes, we've got most popular themes. So this is one. It doesn't really match my brand, but it's got some really cool, like new subscriber, like this will pop up when you get a new subscriber. Here's kind of a chat where you can play the game. You can also look at, what's going on. Here's like an overlay example of all the different little overlays you can put on your screen. So you got your latest subscriber, you got your latest follower, your latest donation. Something I like to do is I like to put my my social media things up. So, these overlays, you got, oh, wait, right here. So you've got these little, well, no, none of those do it. Here we go. On this one right here, you've got I would put Sean Hyde Studios for Twitter. I'd put Sean Hyde Studios for Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. So that's pretty cool. If you don't know how to design, you can grab a lot of these. Now, there are different overlays for different categories. So if you're a gamer and you want to put Fortnite up, or like if you're going to do Call of Duty, this might be an awesome theme for you. Check this out, guys. So it's got these little overlays, starting soon, ending. This one down here, you would have the gameplay here. You would have your camera here, and then you'd have chat. Then you've got kind of a full screen thing. But if you're playing a game, you don't need to be huge on the screen. Like what you're watching right now, I'm tiny, so you don't have to have a good camera. You can use the camera on your computer to put yourself in this tiny little hole. And if you're actually streaming game content, what people want to see is you actually playing the game. And if you watch a lot of live streamers that actually game, usually they have like headphones on and they're just kind of tiny over in this little spot. So that's pretty awesome. Now, I am not a gamer. I'm going to start playing video games on my other YouTube channel just because I don't have anything different that I want to do on there. I do play a lot of video games in my spare time. So I figured that was a way to put content up on the screen, up on YouTube, of something that I'm just going to do anyway. So that's gaming stuff, but actually these are all games. But if you check this out, let me see what I was going to say. And a lot of these, all these are animated, a lot of them. Let's say you had a retro gaming channel. You played, I have had a friend that he buys old video game systems and repairs them. So he plays like Nintendo, Super Nintendo. He plays Dreamcast. He plays a lot of those old video game systems. And this is a theme that would be awesome. It's got this little retro fire going on. It's got depth of field. It's got these really old heads-up display type tags and stuff like that. So I think that would be cool. It's not really my style. I like something a little bit more like this. This is fully animated, good vibes. So check this out, guys. It just has this really cool style to it. It doesn't really fit my brand, but very neat. Let's just check out a couple more, and then we'll install one and see what happens. We got Matrix, we got Camouflage. Warfare, this looks just like Modern Warfare. So if you played Modern Warfare and then you use this theme right here, I think it would go really, really well. Here's DJ. If you were, like I do, I play around with the drum machine. I also play percussion. So if you had like a DJ channel and you wanted to just run the turntables, that would be something that'd be awesome for that. We've got Neuron Esports. So this one is pretty awesome if you were running like a GoPro channel or like, extreme sports. I'm getting a Cinewhoop. It's coming pretty quick, but once I get that Cinewhoop, this might be kind of cool to maybe not live stream while I'm Cinewhooping, but maybe I could just have a night where I show my Cinewhoop video that I did during the day, much like what we're doing right now. I'm giving you a demonstration of Streamlabs over live stream. So that's something that would be pretty cool. Something else you can do with this, if I'm a graphic designer, so so I could teach people how to build their brand. I could teach people how to build a logo, and maybe we could take take requests. If someone wanted a logo, I could actually design their logo on the channel, and then give them their logo for free. And then I think that would be a pretty cool video. So you don't necessarily need to see me all the time, but there's something personal about me being on the screen at the same time. So that's something that's pretty cool. So what's up, Steve? What's up, Michael? So I think we got Brent, Islam, Steve, Michael. I think those are the only names that I've seen so far. Yeah, but this is, so look how many themes there are on this page, and that's one of 50. So we got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So we got 20 per page. We got 50. So dadgum, guys. What's 50 times 20? 1,000, right? I think it's 1,000. I probably got that wrong. All right, 50 times 10 is 1,000, is 500, and double that, that's 1,000. So so let's go through here. I'm going to go through a couple more pages, and we're going to find one that I really, really like. So I think this one's cool. I wanted to do a VR channel for a while, and I tried to do it, but nobody ended up watching it very much. But if I did a VR channel, this would be perfect. The stream is starting. It's got, you know, kind of the VHS type feel. I think that's cool, guys. So cool. So good. So something like this would take me probably a month to put together. All the little animations, all the you know, screen flickers, the glitches, coming up with a logo, all that kind of stuff would take me it would take me a while. And I'm pretty good at it. So for those of you that don't do any graphic design ever, you know, it might be pretty hard for you guys to come up with a professional looking brand for your channel. So that's something that Streamlab offers. I think this one looks pretty good. It matches my brand. And I've got like subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter up on top. So that's pretty cool. It's got a really nice starting screen. I like how it says powering up at the bottom. It's definitely a little gamer thing. But check this out for a live chat, guys. So I could have my camera on one side and the comments on the other side, and you guys could just hang out and see what's going on. Something that I'm really looking forward to with OBS, like the original OBS, you would be able to turn your OBS into a virtual camera, and then you could put that on Zoom or your Skype, or you could put it on StreamYard. But now you can't do that with Streamlabs yet. So hopefully that will be a thing coming soon. But I think that's a really good theme. I think that this is the one that I've got on right now. I think I really like the font treatment here, the typography. But I don't think it's quite me yet. I think this one is done really, really well. I love the splash of color on the right, and I love the honeycomb type transition, and I love how they've got these things over on the left. I just think this one is super polished. So if I do a game, when I do my gaming channel, this might be something that I just jump on. It's got some of the other things, though, is I really want to find a theme. So this theme comes with a matching widget theme and a theme for your custom website. So check this out, guys. So it's got your widgets that are in Streamlab. This theme supports those, and this theme supports your custom web page. So how cool is that? I think that's pretty awesome. The only thing that I'm not sure about, guys, is I run two YouTube channels, and my custom site might only show one. And they're completely different brands, probably. So, so we'll see what happens there. I might have to have two memberships to run both of them at the same time. But I'm actually thinking about doing the website for Sean Hyde Studios, because that's my important brand. The other one is just kind of me hanging out and playing games. But if it becomes lucrative, why not? So yeah, we're gonna go through a couple more. These are getting really gamey. Whoa, this one's psychedelic. This one looks good. If I was playing like Overwatch or something like that, this would be awesome. It's very colorful. The website looks really cool. Yeah. So we've been going for about 47 minutes. I'm going to run through just a couple more pages of the themes. And then I want to show you the widget store. Like, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. It's very sci-fi. I'm not sure what the scope is, but this might be like text that you can edit. If it is, that's pretty awesome. That just looks really good. So, and this would be perfect if you were playing like, if you were playing Halo or something really cool like this. I've seen these a lot. And I don't know if you can customize your logo. You might not be able to. Probably can't. But this theme comes with a custom website. So a lot of these are coming with custom websites, and it might be a requirement. But a lot of these are very game heavy. So I was thinking about playing Fortnite a lot. I play Fortnite a lot. And so this would be a great theme for Fortnite because of the starting screen. And then, you know, you've got just these awesome little... tired. It's got all these awesome little things that go with Fortnite. So yeah. All right. So this section is CloudBot. Streamlabs CloudBot is a chat bot that provides entertainment and moderation features for your stream. So you can add giveaways, polls, store. So let's see what this is. All right, these are all things that I have to set up, so we won't talk about that right now. And then this is the storefront, and this is going to be the last thing that we talk about tonight. But something that, since I moved over to Streamlabs or StreamYard, I've had issues with my countdown. I used to run a countdown timer, and I made a video for it, and I would run when I was in Streamlabs. I would just switch over to that scene, and it would load up the video and play it, right? Well, you can't do that in StreamYard. You can put an overlay, but you can only put a 30-second overlay. And my countdown video is like 6 minutes. The reason I do it for 6 minutes is because I want people to start chatting. I want people to, it's kind of one of those, it takes like 5 minutes for everybody to get in. And so I want once the live stream to start, I want a whole bunch of comments. I want people chatting with each other. I want some questions already booted up for me to answer. So that's why I do that countdown timer. Well, you can add a timer to your page using this this component that this person made, Mob Crush. You can use Mob Crush to stream to multiple places. You've got an overlay maker. So I thought this was pretty cool. You can use this to build your own overlays. You can make color animation, so I can bring in my brand colors. I can move things around. Last updated in April 7th. So yeah, I think that's really, really cool. You got music players. So I also subscribe to Epidemic Sound, which gives me royalty-free music for my YouTube channel. Well, if I create a scene that has a music player with preloaded sounds or preloaded music that lets me, that I'm already subscribing to, and then I play that timer, then I can just turn things on and off when I want to. You've got a meme board. So yeah. Stream tickers. So that's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys have liked this video. I was just playing around with I was just playing around with Streamlabs, and I just wanted to show you guys while I was checking it out. A lot of my excitement comes from when I'm first checking something out. And I think doing something live kind of makes me very vulnerable, but also makes me real. I'm not super scripted. I'm not super polished. I've never been super polished on my channel. I've definitely gotten better over the last 2.5 years, but I'm still learning as I go, and I want to always be learning as I go. I don't want to get to a point and it just be who I am. I want it to always be able to improve myself, improve my channel, and improve your experience. So hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications or when I put out more videos like this. Definitely check out Streamlabs. There's a link in the description below that'll give you $9 off your first month. And that's pretty awesome. And yeah, have a wonderful night, guys. Peace out.